he started when he turned 16 on the 3rd of August.
Mhm.
Is it a church?
Yeah, St. Nicholas.
There is not enough wind for you. Sometimes during maybe this period, previous years was competition here in those malls. But